place it in your shoulder. You can hold it like that. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. I hope you're all doing fantastic, and today is another video about bag. And I know my audience love bag videos a lot. Whenever I post anything about bag, you guys respond so much, and I'm so happy that today I'm here with a very trendy bag. So yes, let's talk about it. So in today's video I will be sharing all the details about this particular brand that is known as JW PEI. Yes, this is a very popular brand. This is very much affordable, very much trendy, and finally I got a piece that is not classic. It's a very trendy piece. I just bought it because there's so many reasons why I bought it, and I have so many things to tell you about this bag. Do I like it, hate it, keeping it or not? Let's talk about it. First of all, this is the first bag I ever bought from Amazon, because this bag is quite a popular bag, and a lot of influencers and a lot of models and famous people are carrying this bag. But surprisingly, you can buy this bag from Amazon. So now let's talk about this bag. And this bag comes in a box like this. So JW PEI bags come really nicely in a box like this. Looks so aesthetic, and I was not expecting such a beautiful presentation for the price I paid. After you take off the cover, you get a dust bag like that. So it comes in a totally really nice way. The presentation is absolutely beautiful, just like any high-end bags, which I really love. And then when you open it, wow, look at that. Such a cute purple bag. Yeah, for JW PEI bags, the most interesting thing about this brand is that they have tons of different colors. You can find all the colors of the rainbow from the brand. So any color you love, you can just go ahead and buy that. So I choose this purple bag because those who follow my Instagram and those who follow my social media, you already know that I am totally living in a purple dream. I'm like totally obsessed with purple. Purple has been always my favorite color, but now this year it has been trending so much that I am totally like, anything I see purple, I feel like I need to grab it. And few days back I got a beautiful purple sandal. I showed that on Instagram. And also, if you follow my Like It app, you know that LTK app, you know that I am working as an influencer with LTK. So you can also shop my store from LTK, so do follow me there. But anyways, about the bag, so this is the bag up close. That's how it looks like. Now I have so many things to talk about this bag. This is really cute to me. It's really cute, and this you can match with any outfit because they have all the different colors you can choose from. And this bag is so affordable. It costs something around $100 with tax, a little more than that. So it's like really affordable. I have no bag like price like that, so it's like really affordable. Okay, so first let me show you all in and out of the bag, and then I will tell you my thoughts about this bag. Okay, so this is very pretty. I love how it looks, like very cute, and very different from any other bag. And this has just a magnet here, so you just have a magnet. There is no chain inside, and there is a pocket here, and like one compartment, and then a small compartment here for cards and other stuff. So very simple inside, and it is suited material in, and the out is smooth leather. It's very smooth. So, and you have the brand name just right here. I think you can see it here, yeah, in a golden color. So overall, this bag is a very cute bag. So just when I saw this bag, I felt very pretty. Everything about this bag is very pretty. But the thing is that when I tried it on, I felt like this bag is more like it's for more younger people, like teenage vibe. It has that teenage vibe. I don't know if it's for the color or just for the overall style. To me, I feel like when you are 30 plus, I feel like this bag is like a little too childish. It looks a little bit childish. I'm not sure, it's just my opinion. I felt like that on me. I want to take it out, but every time I dressed up and you know, tried this bag, I could not take it out. I feel like I really look like it's like a toy bag to me. So yeah, it's like very personal opinion, but whenever I just carry any other bag of mine that has a more you know, I don't know, I feel like the other bag suits me more than this one. But yeah, obviously I have seen a lot of, you know, famous people carrying this bag, and obviously they are in their 20s, and that is fine. So you can still try this bag. I think it totally depends on, you know, how you style yourself and all. Anyways, this bag just doesn't go with my style, and even though I love the color so much, but maybe for this particular style I felt like it just is not for me. So I feel like I'm just returning this bag, and you know, I give it a lot of thoughts because I really want to keep it for the color. It's very cute. I love the cuteness, but it's just not for my style or for my age or for the overall situation. Yeah, but if you love this bag, I'm linking it down below. You can totally check that. If you're looking for a cute bag like that, if you are a very young bubbly person, you are single, you would love it. I'm a mom of two, and I feel like my bag style obviously has changed a lot over the years. So a couple of years back I had many bags like this, and I used to carry many, you know, fun colors. And now in 2023 is again the time when people are carrying a lot of fun colors, like pop of color, like a bright green, purple, very beautiful magenta. These are all there, like it's very trendy right now. But I feel like maybe in some other design may suit me. Still, I feel like for bags it is always safe to go for the neutral colors. I think I'm still not out of my neutral colors. I am adding some pop of color in my life, like this dress. It's also a little bit, you know, colorful. I usually go for more neutral blues, more nude kind of blues, but this one is a little pop of color. So yeah, I am obviously wearing a lot of pop of colors, adding a lot, but still not very much comfortable with colorful bags, I guess. So all my bags that I have in my collection are mostly black, beige and white. So yeah, I can make another video of my bag collection because I have got a lot of requests on that. But for today, I think that is all. I just want to quickly show you how you can style this bag. So this bag just has a top handle. There is no other strap or anything, so you can only carry it like top handle, just, you know, like that in the crook of your arm. It looks cute like that, or you can also pull it all the way to your shoulder, like it is possible. It has a pretty good space that you can just have it in your shoulder, and yeah, just like that. You can place it in your shoulder, you can hold it like that, or just like that. So, you know, you can do all different styles with this bag, but not a crossbody bag. So that's all about it. So yeah, that's how you can style it. Also, this is the JW PEI bag. One last time I'm showing you. The space inside is pretty good. Like it, I would be able to carry all my essentials as always. I think if you're thinking about what fits inside, it fits everything that fits in any other smaller bags. It has a pretty good space here. You see the bottom, it's pretty thick, and for carrying things that's just fine, and it's pretty nicely closes. Like it has just a magnet, but it closes whole, like things are not going to fall off from here. So everything is good, but the style It's actually cute, but not for me. So that's all about this bag today. So it's going to go back, I believe, but yeah, if I change my mind anytime soon, I'll let you guys know. So that's all about this JW PEI bag for today. Before I finish this video today, I would like to invite you to check my LTK shop. I am an influencer working with LTK, so you can buy everything that I link on my LTK. Also follow my Instagram because I post my daily updates and a lot of information what's going on around Toronto. You can learn about it from my Instagram, so don't forget to check my Instagram, Sparkling Beauty B, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, and let me know in the comment section below your thoughts, and I will be seeing you on my next video. Take care. Bye.